Hello, my name is Drew Kring, and this is my capstone project for DevMountain's Python software engineering course. I created a recipe finder which functions as a virtual cookbook that users can search by recipe title or by ingredients found in the recipe. The idea came to me while working at Trader Joe's, my local grocery store, when customers repeatedly asked questions on how to use different ingredients in recipes. To show you how it all works, starting from the beginning, users will register their username that they want to be known by, their actual name that the site will refer to them as, and a password. Confirm password. Oh, didn't match up the name, so it's going to ask again. And it's success. So typing in the username again, and the user is in. From here, the user can access their profile page where they can see their username. They can always update, and then it will reflect the username for the user. They can add recipes. So if they want to continually expand on the database of recipes, they can add in the name of the recipe, little description about the dish, and directions for them to follow. They can even leave reviews on a star rating from 1 to 5 if they really enjoyed the dish at 5 to never eat it again at 1. Also with a little description, so if they want to leave notes for next time or what they think of the meal overall if they're reviewing on what to make. The main feature of this website and application is the recipe finder. So users are able to search by recipe name and get the ingredients for that recipe and the steps needed to complete the task. Typing in a couple different options for you to see just how the website will adapt to it. This project was very fun. It was my first large-scale Python project, and I really enjoyed planning the whole process of putting it together. My biggest struggle was learning how to work with the JSON file of recipes to use in my database and having my search function search through that JSON file. Really enjoyed working with the backend and fine-tuning my skills with the backend. And I'm really looking forward to adding on to this website to make it almost like a social media type cookbook platform for users to share and expand on recipes and search by ingredients. Thank you for your time, and I enjoy it.